In this video I'm going to be applying graphics to the handle of this beautiful Hultafors Felling Axe. The first step is to clean the axe handle, removing the stickers and sanding off any of the printed marks. Then I went on to Google and found an image of a hickory leaf and brought it into Adobe Illustrator and redrew it as a vector. Once it was a vector, I was able to cut it as a vinyl stencil on my plotter. I needed to weed out the interior of the vinyl stencil so that I would be painting within the stencil. This was a slow process with the little veins of the leaves. Once it was weeded, I put some apply tape over the stencils. Apply tape is like a large roll of masking tape, but not as sticky. It's used for applying vinyl to objects. I applied the stencils to the handle using a scalpel to make tiny cuts so that the apply tape would wrap around the handle of the axe. Then I peeled off the apply tape, leaving the stencil behind. Once the two stencils were on, I needed to make some minor cuts to the stencil itself to get it to lie flat. Then I filled in between the stencils with some green painter's tape. And once that was done, I wrapped the rest of the axe in brown packing paper. I stood the axe up using a few paint tins. This allows me to work around the handle. I lay down a layer of clear matte varnish and then used a hairdryer to dry it quickly. Then I hit it with some matte black paint, several light layers. I used the hairdryer again to dry it quickly. This stops any drips from forming. I left the paint to dry overnight and the next day I came back to remove the stencils. I removed the paper from the axe, then the green painter's tape. Then I very carefully removed the vinyl masks. There was a little bit of overspray in places, and I used a scalpel to scrape off any excess paint. The grain of the wood didn't give the smoothest surface to apply the vinyl stencils to, and that's why I got the overspray. The final thing to do with the axe was to apply some boiled linseed oil to it. I applied 4 coats in total over a few days, and I'll probably add to it as I use it. Overall, I'm very happy with the result. I'd highly recommend the axe. It's a 600mm felling axe from Hultafors. It's got a hand forged head and it's made in Sweden, and it seems to hold an edge pretty well. If you have any questions about any of the steps or the process, please leave them in the comments below. I have some more videos coming soon, so please subscribe, and thanks for watching.